I lay the table before dinner every evening. I am laying new tiles in the bathroom right now. I have just laid the baby down for a nap. I have been laying bricks at this site for weeks. I laid the blanket on the bed yesterday. I was laying the cables when the power tripped. I had laid the foundation before the rain came. I had been laying flooring all day before I ran out of planks. I will lay the carpet in the hallway tomorrow. I will be laying turf in the garden all weekend. I will have laid every paving stone by Sunday. By June, I will have been laying track for this railway for a year.